Good day, this is Lady May Patac from BSHM3A. So for today's discussion is all about formalities of entry in and exit from the Philippines, Chapter 16. Learning objectives. Identify various government requirements for foreigners to enter Philippines. Explain the importance of valid passport when traveling. Enumerate the privileges of Filipinos covered by the Balik Bayan program and discuss the dual citizenship law. Introduction. Foreigners entering the Philippines are granted privileges due to their state absolute power of government, so they cannot claim exclusive privileges. States have a fundamental right to their territories, integrity, and peaceable position. So the international community allows states to define entry conditions, which are legitimate manifestations of territorial power and not contrary to law. So admission requirements. Section 10. Non-immigrants must present for admission into the Philippines an expired passport or official documents in the nature of passports issued by the government of the countries to which they owe allegiance, or other travel documents showing their origins and identify as prescribed by regulations, and valid passport visas granted by the diplomatic or consulator officer. So, the ascertain if arriving aliens in the Philippines. So the non-immigrants seeking entry into the Philippines must present a valid passport or an official equivalent issued by their home country. So they must also have a valid visa as granted by diplomatic or consular officers, along with any other travel documents required by regulations that verify their identity and origin. Passport requirements. So a passport is defined as an official document of identity and nationality issued to a person intending to travel or sojourn in foreign countries. It is the property of the government of the issuing authority. It is not a private property or a person to whom it has been issued. So there are three types of passport, namely diplomatic passport, official passports, and regular passport. So when we say diplomatic passport, it is issued to diplomats and government officials for officials' international duties. When we say official passport, issued to individuals traveling on government business but not holding diplomatic status, and regular passport issued to the general public for personal international travel. Deportation of foreigners. Section 25. For the purpose of determining whether aliens arriving in the Philippines belong to any of the classes excluded by the immigration laws, the examining immigration officers may order such aliens detained on board the vessel, bringing them or in such other place as the officers may designate such detention to be for a sufficient length of time to enable the officers to determine whether they belong to an excluded class, and their removal to such other places to be at the expense of the vessel bringing them. So, the ascertain if arriving aliens in the Philippines fall under excluded categories by immigration laws, immigration officers can detain them on their vessel or another designated place. So the detentions last until officers determine their status. So the vessel that brought the aliens bears the cost of their detention and relocation. Exit requirements. So Section 22 A of Republic Act Number 144 mandates that any alien planning to leave the Philippines, whether temporarily or permanently, must obtain a clearance certificate from the Commissioners of Immigrations. So this certificate confirms that the individual has no outstanding obligation to the government, no ongoing legal issues requiring their presence in the country, and has surrendered or any previously issued immigration documents. So this ensures that all legal and administrative matters are settled before departure. And that ends my topic. This is Lady May Patac saying thank you and